Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Gathoni wa Muchomba niatumite internet iblu na njira nene muno muthenya wa umuthi. Mami wa Karungo wa Thangwa niahurukire na pole sana gwi family ya Karungo Thangwa senator. Muthenya wa umuthi Gathoni wa Muchomba niaguthiite Macakaya wa Karungo wa Thangwa. Tamwirorei mbica ino ndamukira screen-ini. Ni ukona Gathoni wa Muchomba hau arugamite besides mbica ya mami wa Karungo Thangwa. Gathoni wa Muchomba namba imwe ni gutheka aratheka, undu ucio ukahe mixed reaction. Ona thina nduri hau, andu maroria atiriri, niki Gathoni wa Muchomba eguthiite na scarf ya UDA Macakaya? Niki Gathoni wa Muchomba eguthiite na scarf ya UDA Macakaya wa Karungo Thangwa? And Karungo Thangwa is not in ye emwena wari Gathwa Gachagua. Kwina andu marauga ni mockery. Mbica ino ni amukirite a lot of backlash. Na andu makoria atiriri, niki kiuru na mundu ugwitwo Gathoni wa Muchomba? Guys, kidimunia uria some of the people maugite egetha tuingie thiini wa comment section na kumone uria wakanite. But kamwira thomete uria andu maugite, was it necessary Gathoni wa Muchomba guthie na scarf ya UDA Macakaya? This is not political event. Andu ni gucakaya maracakaya. Niki uthie na nguo ya UDA ya politics? Ira twarire Gathwa Gachagua ni athite gucakaya na Karungo Thangwa. Ndungionire team ya Gathwa Gachagua mekirite nguo cia signature ya DCP, nguo cia green. Why would Gathoni wa Muchomba go with UDA scarf thiini wa Macakaya? Kuri mundu wetwa Anyama augite o politics and pettiness. Kiambu senator wa Thangwa lost his mother. The senator belongs to DCP party. Why would wa Muchomba visit the family donning UDA color of its UDA colors of its not pettiness and mockery? What has party got to do with condoning with a friend or colleague? Utoto uko huko mlima Kenya. Oyo mundu augite o, because this is very long. Hena mundu ungi augite o, kende mwonere post yo tondu andu ni maritie na njira nene muno guku nenda-ini, na andu ni makumithitie Gathoni wa Muchomba na njira nene muno. Ndongwa raugo, is wa Muchomba okay mourning Karungo wa Thangwa's mother? Why the smile? Why the UDA scarf? Or whatever you call it? Icio nicio andu ciuria andu maroria. Niki ego smile? Niki athire na scarf ya UDA to make that? I don't know. Kare uthiete kuonia Karungo Thangwa atia? By the way, uthiete kuonia Karungo Thangwa atia? Higo na athire na scarf ya UDA, uthiete kuonia Karungo Thangwa atia? Because Karungo Thangwa I support DCP. Eguthiete kumuonia atia? Anyway, this is very long. Like tune andu aria maugite thiini wa comment section. Tarai uria andu maugite. Collins augite o, shida huyu mama huku ni gani? Was the scarf necessary? Did she also attend weddings, birthdays with scarf or go to bed with it? Magiako akaugo, was the scarf necessary? At that particular moment, we know it's a must. Please. Sorry, like I show comment here. Was the scarf necessary? At that particular moment, we know it's a must. You praise your master. But Pia, a little wisdom will go a long way. Don't you differentiate between political lies and mourning time? Are you mourning like Lily kucheka UDA scarf? You are in a mission. You are in the mission. Ona mundu arauga atiriri, Gathoni wa Muchomba thiini wa mission flani. But which mission? Tete muthomere wa andu angi maugite guku. Is the UDA scarf necessary? Only Nico. While mourning, scarf, was it necessary? Anyway, please, your master, 27 ni home. How would she feel when we attend hers with DCP or Linda Mwananchi scarf? The dance of mad person at the market, please, seems enjoyable until it's your own. Maybe that's the only scarf she has. Who knows? This is what we call mocking people during the hard season. Yani, I don't know what's wrong with these people, by the way. Hata kama ni bootlicking, would she also attend wedding, a graduation, a bridal party without a scarf? It was so insulting. Mugakauga, there is always something wrong with the people who refuse to worship your adopted political gods. Maybe you'll praise her if she come adorned in Jubilee regalia. It is not like she has only a single photo during the visit. But clicking William Ruto everywhere. Adunia la Karungo niodo wa adunia la Karungo niodo wa bisha ino ya mundu ugwitwo Gathoni wa Muchomba. Andu ni arakaru muno na ungirora guku nenda-ini andu ni arakaru muno. But this big question is, was it necessary Gathoni wa Muchomba Guthii na scarf ya UDA Macakaya wa Karungo Thangwa? From my point of view, I feel it was very wrong. Very, very wrong. Andu no gucakaya maracakaya, we nawe urathi kugaithiriria kiama fulani. Au we turagaithiriria kiama thiini wa Macakaya. You know the person uria uguthiete kurora a support kiama tofauti na we ugathi na kiama giki kiria uruga wi wakio na scarf iyo. This is all. Na ndio niki kiragia Gathoni as we speak. I think there is problem somewhere. Kuma aigira mwena wa must go. Ni agarurukite na njira nene muno. Hapo mbeleni, she was a respectable leader. But as we speak, she isn't a respectable leader. Oyari na hugatene. But I think that's very wrong. That's very long. Nadu ni marakaraita muno uko nenda-ini. Nadu ni mokeire Gathoni wa Muchomba na njira nene muno ni undu wa undu ucio ekite. Uguo ti wega na ti undu mwega ona hanini. Maoni manyu mariko nyarikirai thiini wa comment section. Munjire atiriri inyu mureciria ate uhoro wa Gathoni wa Muchomba guthii gucakaya na scarf ya UDA wa Karungo Thangwa. Inyu murona atia? Turona mathire gucakaya no gusmaila rasmail. Inyuĩ maoni manyu nĩ marĩkũ? Inyuĩ murona atia? Thank you goma tuna mwaime guys. This is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you.